Let's go! Ooh. Handsome.
Huh? I don't know who she's looking at. I'm sort of driving, but you know, whoever that person is not gonna be having a good day here shortly.
Why?
When I hit him with the car.
Crazy. Very nice today. Love the weather. It's like so far.
Look, everybody, it's Jollibee.
Home of the famous chicken joy.
Look at my review on Google. I put up a little small review. Just look it up.
Alright. We're good to go. It's very empty. No one's here. I can see anyone. I like the song. We're finally here after days of planning to come here. Ooh, Bobby looks good. Here. Gosh. Wait, so
You good?
yes, I'm good. Alright. That was just a commercial, mi amor. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? It's too bright, but that's the 2-1 bay. Oh my god, that's the Love Locks, mi amor. I think I kind of like it that like no one's here. I can like comfortably, you can comfortably walk. Here, the Love Locks. It looks so good, mi amor.
Oh, you do? I know.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Wow.
that's pretty cool. So that's made out of
eye, nose, mouth, chin, neck.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Hair, face, neck, body. Wow. Lady in the Cliff. Wow. Picture that. Man in the water, lady in the cliff.
I'd rather we keep the cash.
Alright, Puntan dos Amantes to Lovers Point, Guam. Admission fee $3.
Yep.
Is there like other colors or it's the same?
All the
The
same?
same. Okay, they might as well just get it here.
Okay.
But we have it on display here. Inside.
Oh, inside? Oh, okay. Can we take a look first?
Okay.
Yeah, we can go inside.
Alright.
Okay.
Where is it?
Inside.
Inside here. Here. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. You wanna get the red one, mi amor? There's like pink, yellow, green, and orange.
Heart-shaped locks.
Yes.
So the thing is that you gotta think as well too. Like some of them are silver locks, some
Oh.
of them are red locks.
I like this one then. Or yeah, I like this
Yeah,
one.
it's the last one, so
Right. You're right.
okay.
Okay, we're getting the red heart. I like this. Maybe we can just put it later.
Yeah.
Let's hold on to it for now. Alright. Alright. We're about to go in. We'll just find the, I guess, admission ticket or whatever.
Admission ticket.
Too early. I don't know.
Okay. No peeking.
Someone's taking forever. Come on now, mi amor.
Somebody keeps egging me on because I take too long with my words. Just saying. She's gonna go like zip zoop 2 seconds. She had time to think. Totally. Look at this. Nice park. Nice spot to chill out at. Admission's pretty cheap. They close at, I think they close at 7, so we have a little bit of time. But I think we also will be able to get to see the sunset, you know, from this point as well too, which is, it is nice weather, so it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, there she is. She just finished it up. Plenty of space to write because I gave her more space. Huh?
We just have both. So let's just do it later.
Yep. I mean,
Alright.
yeah.
Right. We took a little bit of pictures already, but I want you guys to see how beautiful the view here in to Lovers Point. Happy? to do right now. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Beautiful. Alright. No one's here. Good thing. Alright. I feel so scared. It's really nice here. As you guys can see, that's the lady on the cliff. That's her, the lady on the cliff.
I think so, yeah.
Looks good. So we're still here. We're gonna try to wait for the sunset.
Hopefully it's before 7.
Yeah, hopefully it's before 7. Because they're gonna close at 7, and before 7 we have to go out, like, I guess 6:55. But anyway, we still have to go somewhere tonight. We're gonna try to go with our friend. So yeah. All right. So here, maybe I would read this and you read this.
Sure.
Okay. So me say, mi amor, I'm extremely happy that we're together right now. I will cherish our time forever. I love you, Loca.
Mm-hmm.
For you?
Alright, so for me, I put to Loverei, mi amor, I love you with all my heart. This will represent our love, our everlasting love. To Poppy. I was like, what was that sound? That's okay. Now we're putting on the lock.
Alright.
Oh.
Mi amor, we have to.
Yep.
We're gonna lock it together.
Yep.
I'm gonna press this and you press the heart, okay?
Huh? Oh.
Like,
Push.
alright, one, push. So, 1, 2, 3, lock.
One.
Alright.
Wait, I think I have to let go.
Alright. It's
Now-
there.
Now we just twist. Oh, okay.
So, as I already said, we're about to head back to the guest house.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.
Yep. Take care.